Ever found yourself staring at the crypto charts, wondering which digital gems you could actually snag with your Canadian dollars? You're not alone. The world of cryptocurrency can feel like a vast and sometimes overwhelming ocean, especially when you're trying to figure out which exchanges offer access to the coins you're interested in. Here in Canada, we have a growing number of platforms that aim to make crypto trading more accessible. One name that often pops up in these conversations is Newton. They've positioned themselves as a user-friendly platform for Canadians looking to dive into the digital asset space. But the big question remains, what exactly can you buy on Newton? Before we dive into the specifics of the coins Newton offers, it's worth taking a moment to appreciate why this question is so important. The variety of cryptocurrencies available has exploded in recent years. From the well-established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer, more niche projects with different technological underpinnings and use cases, the choices can be dizzying. Each cryptocurrency comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. Understanding which coins are available on a particular platform is the first crucial step in building a diversified crypto portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Furthermore, the availability of certain coins on a Canadian platform like Newton often signifies that these assets have undergone some level of scrutiny to ensure compliance with local regulations. This can provide a degree of comfort for Canadian investors navigating this relatively new asset class. So, let's get down to it. As of my last update in late 2023 and based on publicly available information, Newton typically offers a selection of some of the most popular and widely adopted cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that the specific list of available coins can change over time as platforms evolve and regulatory landscapes shift. It's always a good idea to check the official Newton website or app for the most up-to-date information. With that caveat in mind, here are some of the cryptocurrencies you could likely find available for purchase on Newton. The blue chips. Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin's limited supply and decentralized nature have made it a popular store of value and a cornerstone of the crypto market. If you're looking to get exposure to the most established cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is almost always a must-have on any reputable exchange. Ethereum, ETH. Beyond being a cryptocurrency, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Its utility extends far beyond just a digital currency, making it a crucial player in the blockchain ecosystem. The transition to Ethereum 2.0, now simply known as Ethereum after the merge, and its focus on scalability and sustainability further solidify its importance. Other major cryptocurrencies. Litecoin, LTC, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin was designed to be a faster and more efficient alternative to Bitcoin. While it hasn't seen the same explosive growth as some other cryptocurrencies, it remains a well-established and widely traded digital asset. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, a hard fork of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash was created with the goal of increasing the block size to allow for more transactions to be processed faster and with lower fees. It represents a different vision for scaling Bitcoin's technology. Ripple, XRP. XRP aims to facilitate fast and low-cost international money transfers. It works with financial institutions to improve cross-border payment processes. While it has faced some regulatory challenges, it remains a significant player in the crypto space focused on institutional use. Stellar Lumens, XLM. Similar to XRP, Stellar is a decentralized protocol that aims to facilitate cross-border payments and remittances. It focuses on financial inclusion and connecting individuals and institutions globally, particularly in developing economies. Growing ecosystem players. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that emphasizes peer-reviewed research and a scientific approach to development. It aims to be a more sustainable and scalable blockchain for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is a multi-chain protocol that aims to connect different blockchains, allowing them to interoperate and share information and value. Its unique architecture and focus on interoperability make it a significant project in the blockchain space. Solana, SOL. Solana is a high-performance blockchain known for its speed and low transaction fees. It has gained significant traction for its ability to support a large number of transactions per second, making it a popular platform for decentralized finance, DeFi, and dApps. Dogecoin. Doge originally started as a meme. Dogecoin has developed a large and active online community. While its fundamental technology is based on Litecoin, its popularity is largely driven by social media and its enthusiastic supporters. Shiba Inu, SHIB, another meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu gained significant popularity following the success of Dogecoin. It has since evolved to include its own decentralized exchange and other ecosystem projects. Important considerations. It's crucial to remember that the availability of these coins on Newton, or any platform, can change. New coins may be added as the platform expands, and in rare cases, certain coins might be delisted. Therefore, always refer to the official Newton platform for the most accurate and up-to-date list. Furthermore, just because a coin is listed on an exchange doesn't mean it's a good investment. Each cryptocurrency carries its own risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research, often referred to as DYOR, do your own research, before investing in any digital asset. Consider factors like the project's fundamentals, its technology, its team, its market capitalization, its use cases, and the overall market sentiment. Newton, like other Canadian crypto platforms, is also subject to regulatory requirements. This means they may have specific processes for verifying your identity, KYC, know your customer, and ensuring compliance with anti-money laundering, AML, regulations. Understanding these requirements is crucial for using the platform effectively. Beyond the specific coins available, it's also worth considering the features and functionalities that Newton offers. These might include ease of use. Newton often emphasizes a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners. Funding and withdrawal options. Understanding how you can deposit and withdraw Canadian dollars is essential. Fees. Different platforms have different fee structures for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. Be sure to understand Newton's fee schedule. Security measures. The security of your digital assets is paramount. Look into the security features implemented by Newton. Customer support. Knowing that help is available if you encounter any issues is important. Staying informed. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly dynamic. New projects emerge, existing ones evolve, and regulations can change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.